This 2026 Grand Design Lineage 31ZW is a Super CRV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 5, smoke detector, water heater, microwave, refrigerator, LP detector, TV, skylight, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, oven, and 79 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2026 Grand Design Lineage 31ZW is built on a Ford F600 cab chassis 4x4 chassis and is powered by a 6.7 L 4 volts 8-cylinder engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.